We always think, what if aliens visit us? But what if we visit them first? That's right, what if we humans go about to other planets to have a romantic long drive with our alien girlfriend? Will they be willing to receive us in first place? Or will they catch us up to make a guinea pig to perform science experiments on us? What would they look like? Have you ever thought, what if some of your friends or even relatives are aliens? Moving on, will they be as advanced as we see them in every science fiction movies, or would they be just like this guy? Oh, sorry, an alien like this one. Or this one? Or this funny one? Or this hell of an angry one? Why are you angry, sir? Anyways, so grab your coffee and sit back as I speak of the unspoken things. Sir, please sit down. Thank you. Our first main objective will be how would we travel to planets that are light years away. The only way to visit another star is advanced robots, because before you even get a signal back from them visiting another star system, many thousands of years will have passed. Also, the amount of money required to transport a single person would be around $6 trillion. Now, have you ever heard about Area 51? Well, this is the place in US where aliens come and make contacts with American people. This area has high level security and only US Army is allowed to move into it. Even the American president also gave some hint about the contact with aliens way back. But a guy called Matthew Roberts started a Facebook page named Raid Area 51. They cannot stop all of us. Because of the whole alien conspiracy theory, the page and its cause went viral, and over 2 million people said that they would be going for the event. But in the end, some 200 people showed up and set camps outside the Area 51. But nothing more than that happened. Although, we got a lot of Area 51 jokes and Naruto running memes. But getting away from our solar system, it would be more difficult. One possible way is wormholes. Now, what is a wormhole? Wormholes operate over the theory that gravity of an object disturbs space-time so much that you are almost digging a hole in space-time. And when two objects do, they are linked. If you found or made one and then sent someone through, without them dying of course, they could possibly come to another part of the universe. But this is all theoretical. Now considering we do make our ways to one of these planets. Now what next? How do we communicate with them? Through eyes, poised looks, weird noises, or maybe like we call dogs or cats? Just kidding, most sensible option would be to see what they are capable of. What noises are they making? What gestures are they making? What kind of signals are they mocking? We will secretly analyze their living conditions. If the alien species is more powerful, we will try becoming friends with them. And if by any chance they are weak, we would tie them up before they even have the time to blink and dump them on our spaceship and bring them back to Earth and run tests on them, like a lab rat. Because who are we kidding? We human beings are opportunists. If we communicate effectively, then humans can attempt to learn alien religions, or their martial arts, or their philosophies. Just imagine a human appearing on an alien game show, or an alien talk show, or joining an alien military to fight universe war rather than world wars. In short, our lives will take a total flip if we learn about aliens. But have you ever thought, what if we humans are actually aliens on Earth, who captured Earth many years ago? Well, as a matter of fact, for the living beings of other countries, planets and galaxies, we are aliens. But whatever we say, this is all theoretical and imaginary at present. Soon, we will be advanced enough to see for ourselves if aliens exist. In the coming years, who knows? We might be sharing our planet with them. We may even be walking around with an alien best friend, saying welcome and goodbyes. So that's all for now. Keep your thinking caps on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down your thoughts. See you soon in another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, sayonara.